When it comes to setting the high ticket deal, so far we've gotten the why, the problems, the goal. The fourth thing, I want to know their plan of action. What is your plan to get to that goal? What is your plan to get from that problem to that goal? And the goal of this and the point of this is to A, get them to tell me that they don't have a plan. They have no idea. Lyndon, you want to make 12 grand a month, my friend, huh? Oh, you're on the phone now.
Yeah.
Because I need more money than that. Okay. Sarah, you want to make 10 grand a month, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. How much have you made in a month the most in 1 month?
About 10,000.
You made 10,000 before, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, how much are you making now? How much did you make this last month?
5.
You made 5. Okay, so how many times have you made $10,000 a month?
Oh, just a couple times.
Got it. So you're looking to make $10,000 a month consistently.
Well,
Correct?
yeah. Yeah.
So you haven't done that yet, have you?
No.
So let me ask you a question. How do you think you go, or what is your plan of attack to get to the yellow brick road and meet the Wizard of Oz? What is your plan to get from $5,000 a month to $10,000 a month? What is your plan right now? Let's just say this didn't work out. We cost too much money. All right, let's just say that happened. But what would be your plan?
I don't have a plan put together yet.
It's kind of why we're on this call, huh?
Yeah.
Do you know what it takes to actually make, like, what are some of the things that you could do to actually make $10,000 a month consistently right now?
Nah, bruh.
So I'm asking these questions very directly because I want them to know, if you know, I'm okay with you knowing. Because if you know how to get to 10 grand a month, you don't know how to get to 20. If you knew how to get to 20, we wouldn't be on this damn call. Now, if we're on this call for something bigger, guess what? There's something you haven't done. That's why you're on this call. But most people will tell you, I have no idea what it takes. Most people think all I need to do is work more hours. When they do that, do the math. Let's just give them a benefit that you make $25 an hour. $25 an hour times 40 hours a week is how much, Curtis? It's $1,000 a week. $1,000 a week times 4 weeks. Be courteous. There's no taxes. It's just straight cash under the table. It's $4,000 a month. Times 12 months is $48,000 a year. How do you get to 10? How do you get to 10? $25 an hour. How do you get to 10? Straight cash and overtime. So how do you get there? How many hours you need to work, sir? Tell me. Do the math. Someone do the math.
You got to double it at least and then add 4.
Way past that. That's 80. That's 80 for
100.
No, 48. 48. You double it. That's 96. You add 4 more grand to it. You right there.
400.
So 80 is about 100.
No.
100 hours.
Yeah.
$25.
Yeah, no one's doing that. No one's doing that. That's your whole week. No one's doing that. You got no time to sleep, no time to eat.
You want to make 10 grand a year, right? You want to make 10 grand
Do
here.
something different.
Hey. So you want to make 10 grand here, right? So what it takes to make 10 grand here, there's offers that go all the way up to $100,000. So for instance, let's just say you fuck up, you get into one of these CRMs. If we give you a list of 2,000 people, and I tell you that there's 2 of them, 2 of those people in there are guaranteed to give you $100,000. A, how long would it take you to call them? A lot less than 100 hours, right? All right. So B, how excited would you be to call them?
Very.
I know. And how much money would you make if you found both of them in that month and you make fucking 10%? How much money did you make? Fucking someone tell me. Someone tell me.
G's, baby.
20 fucking
20
thousand
grand.
dollars. $20,000. How do I know that's so real? Because I closed 2 separate $100,000 offers for 2 different companies in like a week and a half span. what's real is what you believe is real. What wasn't real was walking into a room, hitting a switch, and lights coming on. But Thomas Edison thought so. He thought that shit was real. The Wright brothers, they thought it was real that a piece of aluminum can fly over the water. Everyone else thought that shit was crazy. What's real is what you think is real, and what's real to the prospect is what's real to you. So, does all that make sense on their plan of action? Awesome.